Consider one example on RC phase shift oscillator. A RC phase shift oscillator uses R is equal to 10 kilo ohm and C equal to 1 nanofarad. Find the frequency of oscillations. Here in this example, R value is given, that is 10 kilo ohm, and capacitor value is given, that is 1 nanofarad. In phase shift RC phase shift oscillator, the frequency of oscillation is given by the formula F is equal to 1 over 2 pi RC root 6. We know that RC phase shift oscillator uses 3 RC sections in its feedback path, and we know each RC section produces 60-degree phase shift. Hence the total phase shift will be 180-degree, and another 180-degree phase shift will be provided by the op amp. So total phase shift is 360-degree, and the frequency of oscillation is given by the formula 1 upon 2 pi RC root 6. Let's substitute the values, that is F is equal to 1 over 2 pi, R value is given, that is 10K, into C value is given, that is 1 nanofarad, nano is nothing but 10 raised to minus 9, into root 6. Simplifying this, to shift pi into 10K into 1 nanofarad into root 6. This is the value of denominator. I'll take inverse of this. So the frequency of oscillation is 6.497 kilohertz. 6.497 kilohertz. So this is the required solution. Let's take one more example on phase shift oscillator. For a particular phase shift oscillator, the following specifications are given. C is equal to 0.1 microfarad and R is 3.9 kilo ohm, and RF by R1 is equal to 29. Determine the frequency of oscillations. Call it as example number 2. So in this example, C value is given, that is 0.1 microfarad, and R value is given, that is 3.9 kilo ohm, and RF by R1 is equal to 29. RF by R1 is nothing but gain of RC phase shift oscillator. The gain of RC phase shift oscillator should be greater than or equal to 29 for the oscillation to produce. Determine the frequency of oscillation. The frequency of oscillation in phase shift oscillator is given by the same formula, that is 1 upon 2 pi R into C root 6. Substituting the values, R value is 3.9K into C value is 0.1 micro into root 6. Simplifying this, 1 upon 2 pi into 3.9 into 10 raised to 3 into 0.1 into 10 raised to minus 6 into root 6. So simplifying this, two pi into 3.9 kilo into 0.1 micro into square root of 6 is equal to, this is the denominator value, that is 6.00 milli. We'll take inverse of this, so that is 166 hertz. 166.6 hertz. This is the frequency of oscillation.